Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how you can fix Roblox not launching. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. First of all, open the search tab from the taskbar and search for add or remove apps. Open settings and locate Roblox either by scrolling through apps or by searching for it. After that, click on uninstall and it will be removed from your device. After that, go to the search bar again and search for CMD. Open it and type cd space appdata/local. Press enter, then type rmdir space / space Roblox and then type Y after pressing enter. Now open any type of preferred browser to download Roblox again. So open a browser, search for Roblox download and download the Windows version. Now install it. And that's how you can fix Roblox not launching. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.